Pump and valve castings, global supply with metallurgical expertise. Hello and welcome. You are watching URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In this detailed presentation, we will discuss pump and valve castings, their critical role in industrial operations, and how global sourcing combined with structured metallurgical governance ensures safety, reliability, and long-term operational performance. Pump and valve castings are not ordinary mechanical items. They are pressure containing components that directly influence plant safety, operational continuity, and asset integrity. This discussion is intended for engineering professionals, procurement teams, quality managers, inspectors, and plant leadership working in oil and gas, power generation, petrochemical, and chemical processing, water and desalination facilities, marine and offshore installations, and other high-risk process industries. Importance of pump and valve castings in critical service. Let us see. Pumps and valves operate under demanding service conditions. They are subjected to high internal pressures, elevated and fluctuating temperatures, corrosive and erosive fluids, vibration, and repeated thermal and mechanical cycling. These operating conditions place significant stress on casting material and macrostructure. Any defect in casting integrity, such as sinkage, porosity, inclusion, improper heat treatment, or incorrect material selection, can initiate cracks, leakage paths, or sudden failure during service. Such failures can result in unplanned shutdowns, production losses, safety incidents, environmental release of hazardous fluids, and reputational damage. For this reason, pump and valve castings must be engineered, manufactured, inspected, and validated with the same level of rigor as any pressure retaining equipment. At URGS, we approach pump and valve castings as safety critical engineered components, requiring technical control at every stage. Now, global sourcing through approved and audited manufacturers. URGS International supplies pumps and valve castings sourced from approved and technically audited manufacturers across the globe. Our sourcing strategy is based on engineering qualification rather than commercial convenience. Each foundry is evaluated for its metallurgical capability, melting and refining practice, furnace control, molding and pouring systems, heat treatment facilities, inspection infrastructure, and quality management systems. We review and approve manufacturing routes, including raw material selection, melting practice, inoculation, pouring temperature control, riser design, solidification control, and post-casting heat treatment. This ensures consistency in metallurgical quality, dimensional integrity, and mechanical performance. Our supply model ensures full traceability from raw material to final casting, including heat numbers, batch identification, test records, and inspection reports. We support a wide range of materials including carbon steels, low alloy steels, high alloy steels, stainless steels, duplex and super duplex grades, and special alloys for corrosive, high pressure, and high temperature services. Industry applications and service environments. Pump and valve castings supplied by URGS are used in highly critical applications. In the oil and gas industry, these castings support upstream production equipment, pipeline systems, refining units, and utility services. In power generation facilities, they are used in feed water systems, cooling water circuits, auxiliary piping, and balance of plant systems. In petrochemical and chemical processing plants, castings are exposed to aggressive chemical media, temperature gradients, and continuous operation. In water treatment and desalination facilities, castings operate in environments rich in chlorides and suspended solids, requiring resistance to corrosion and erosion. In marine and offshore installations, castings face cyclic loading, salt-laden atmospheres, and restricted maintenance assays. In all these environments, failure of a pump or valve casting can have serious consequences. Next, the URGS Metallurgical Consultancy Advantage. What clearly differentiates URGS is our in-house metallurgical consultancy capability, integrated with our global supply services. We provide technical oversight throughout the entire casting life cycle. The first step is material selection and validation. We evaluate service conditions such as operating pressure, temperature, fluid chemistry, corrosion mechanisms, and applicable design codes to ensure the selected material grade is fit for purpose. The second step is grade equivalency and substitution evaluation. When alternative grades are proposed due to availability or cost considerations, we perform detailed comparison of chemical composition, mechanical properties, heat treatment requirements, corrosion resistance, and service suitability in accordance with ASTM, ASME, EN, and IOC standards. The third step is foundry capability assessment and approval. We assess melting practice, furnace control, deoxidation and refining, mold preparation, pouring control, heat treatment processes, and quality control discipline. The fourth step is review and validation of test and quality records. Our metallurgists independently verify chemical analysis results, mechanical test data, heat treatment charts, and microstructural evaluations where required. The fifth step is inspection and testing coordination. We coordinate and validate non-destructive testing, including radiographic testing, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle testing, penetrant testing, and positive material identification. We also coordinate third-party inspections to ensure compliance with customer and regulatory requirements. Finally, in the event of issues or failures, we support metallurgical failure analysis and root cause evaluation, followed by corrective and preventive action recommendations to avoid recurrence. Value delivered to clients. This integrated approach delivers tangible value to our clients. It reduces technical and operational risk. It minimizes rejection, rework, and delays. It prevents premature failures and unplanned shutdowns. It improves reliability, service life, and asset performance. It provides confidence in compliance, traceability, and documentation. Clients benefit from having a single technically accountable partner responsible for both supply and metallurgical assurance. It last conclusion and contact information. So to conclude, URGS International supplies pump and valve castings from approved global manufacturers worldwide, supported by structured metallurgical governance and inspection control. We do not simply deliver castings, we ensure their integrity, compliance, and long-term performance in service. For technical discussions, global sourcing requirements, or metallurgical consultancy support, please contact us. You can email us at info@urgsiso.com. You may also reach us on +917359458455. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth technical knowledge, engineering guidance, and industry best practices from URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Thank you.